What's up, everybody? I don't know if you can see in the rear view back there, but we got my brother back there in the Sable. And we are on our way to Weird Beard Auto Sales to give you guys a tour of the lot. I know some of you people out there are going to hate on it because it's small and it's just getting started, but please be considerate. All right, we got the Ford Windstar here. This one was like how much was this? This was like $985. And we got the Mercury Sable back there. That one was $750. Gonna drive these things down there and get them on his lot so he can turn them into cash. Uh-oh, phone call. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so you've been asking where this lot is. You wanted to see it. You wanted to be introduced to Mike, AKA Weird Beard, although the beard's not all that weird. Here it is. I told you it's not much yet, but everybody's got to start from somewhere, and this is it. Look at all the land he's got here. Plenty of room for cars. And I'll introduce you gentlemen right now. This is Mike. How's it going, Mike?
How's it going?
You remember Tim? Say hi, Tim. Hi. Don't be rude. So this is the gentleman that started this car lot up. What do you think of the cars that we just brought in today?
I think they're great. I think it's perfect for buy here, pay here. It's perfect for cash sale. We should be able to sell them very reasonable and very quick. It's as cheap as you got them. So I think you bought them right. I think you did good, man.
See, told you guys. I know how to do Copart. You guys laughed about the Sable, told me not to get it. A lot of you didn't want me to mess with the van, but how far is it? We just drove these things over 60 miles. Yeah. Over 60 miles, 60 plus miles on the interstate, plus some really bad back roads, and both of them made it here, as you can see. They're both good to go. Now they're on the lot. Now they're his problem. His money, his problem.
Get them taken care of.
All right, well, you want to walk them over to the office and show them around?
Yeah.
Let's go over to the office, people. All right, so here it is. What do you think? I know there's going to be some people hating on this. Oh, yeah. I know they are. There's going to be some people hating on this. But let me tell you something. This man right here owns all this shit. All right? So before anybody wants to go talking trash or saying, you know, it's not big enough, it's perfect. Because he owns it. He owns this. He owns the land. He's got the license. He's got the insurance. He's got everything you need. And what better way to run a car lot than with zero overhead? Well, not zero, but almost.
As close to it as we're going to
almost zero overhead, man. There's no house payment. There's no lot payment. There's no nothing. Just
oh my God. I guess it's better you than a customer, huh?
There's a lawsuit.
All right, let's put that on the list. More dirt. I'm telling you, man, that rain we had out here was ridiculous. It washed everything away. I put in this little deal here, but I guess I'm gonna have to do a little bit to that. You all right, man?
I didn't really fall. I mean, it was intentional. I did that to make you guys laugh. That's all that was. I think I broke my big toe.
Oh, no.
Yeah, Tim, we planned this before we even got here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's all planned. Anyway, and yeah, there's insurance in case someone falls and hurts themselves, breaks a hip or something. Don't worry, it's all covered. Anyway,
oh man.
Hey, those are the things people love on video, man. People love to see shit happen.
Well, hey, there'll be more of that, I'm sure. You guys, we're gonna show you guys everything.
We got a blooper in this video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed that because I could edit it out and pretend like it didn't happen, but that's not my style. So, anyway, there it is.
Oh man, it's terrible.
It is what it is, man. It's a legit place for selling cars. That's what it's here for, and that will get taken care of. So you know it won't happen again. All right, you want to show us around the shop here?
Sure, come on in,
right,
guys. Nothing special, but it's mine. Plenty of room.
Look at all this
do what we need to
room.
do. We got plenty of tools.
Look how far up that goes. It's perfect for a lift.
Yeah, that's
Perfect for a
future
lift.
plan for sure. We want to put a lift in it, and we want to put a loft at the other end. It'd be cool.
Oh, I remember speakers like that. See, those are my favorite speakers. Even to this day, I love those types of speakers more than anything else. Those were the good days. They're long gone now. Oh man, what's happening to this? What are you guys doing to the truck?
That's my youngest boy's truck, 87 Ranger. Getting it ready for him. It's going to be his first truck.
Oh man.
He's going to start driving that to school and work. It's a little lowrider project, mini truck, little mini truck project.
Like, what are you going to put in it? Or it's already got an engine in it.
That's
not what came in it.
It's got the original 2.3.
Oh, that is a little. I thought that big air cleaner was a V8.
They put that on there as a joke.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, man, what do you got, like a 350 sitting under there? Nope, little 2.3 Ford.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've worked on this engine a lot. They put them in the Mustangs too. These are the cars I grew up working on this stuff, man. Good old days. But to close out this video, this car right here is on eBay. And that's something I want to talk about just very quickly, very briefly. I've had a lot of people talking about buying it, a lot of people interested in buying it. So I decided the best way to handle this is I've had a lot of people I've had a lot of people talk to me about this car and they want to buy it and then they disappear. And I just don't have time for that. It is what it is, man. I don't have time to deal with people that aren't actually interested in the car. So if you're actually interested and you actually have the money, then this is the time to put your money where your mouth is. You know what I mean? Here it is. I will have a link in the description. I will also have a direct link in the comment section. So the main things to notice about the car, it's got a dent here, pretty decent one. It's got a small ding here. Don't know if you can see it, but there's one there. We've got a scratch here. This must have happened in my garage. Some paint repair gone wrong right here where someone tried to fill it in. I've got the aftermarket lights as well as the OEMs. There's a few little scratches all over up and down the sides. The biggest thing to notice is that rust spot down there and then that rust spot there. It's the only rust that I've ever found on the car. It's locked at the moment, but you guys already know what it looks like. You've seen the inside of it. It runs, it drives. We got the Mercedes emblem replaced. Had a lot of people asking that. Still got the OEM headlights, didn't change those. It runs and drives, all right? Occasionally, it will drip ABC fluid out of under the front end. You guys already know about that. It's been that way, nothing's changed, and we are still getting, I don't know what's wrong with it. It is 100% drivable. I can take this thing out and drive it all day long, and it is my daily driver. I prefer driving this over anything else, but we do continue getting ABC light in blue. I don't know why. It could be the tandem pump. Maybe the tandem pump is going out, I don't know. But the car will raise itself, the car will lower itself, but randomly, there's times you can go and drive this car for 20, 30 minutes and never have a light. There's other times you can go out and within 5 minutes you get an ABC light, but so far, it's been in blue. I have not seen the red light come back on yet. So with that said, this car is on eBay. It is listed with full disclosure about the ABC system, and I'm disclosing it to you now. If you're interested, understand it still needs ABC work. I did not pay to have anything bled when I changed the valve block. We did not bleed the system. I don't know if it needs to go to Mercedes and have some kind of a bleeding procedure done. I just don't know. What I do know is I've got a project coming up, a car coming up in auction that I really want to get. I really want to get it and I want to show it to you guys. But I really need to get out from under this one because I do have a note on it. I owe $29 on it. The reserve on eBay was at $35 and it's already crossed over to almost $4,000. So I'll put a link down. If you guys are interested, there it is, man. It's as is. No refunds, no ifs, ands, or buts. $500 deposit due within 48 hours through PayPal. The rest in cash, a cashier's check. No BS, no games. I've already had to block 3 bidders. Some of you out there think it's funny to go on there and mess with a man's money. You go on there, this Mercedes was up to $11,100 this morning. So here's how that's going to work. If I see ridiculous bids, I'm going to cancel them. If I see somebody that's a brand new eBayer, I'm just going to cancel your bid. I'm sorry, I know there are some of you out there that may legit want the car and don't have an eBay account, but I just don't have time to play these games. If I see a new member has bid on the car, I'm just going to cancel it. So you're gonna have to be an established eBayer to bid on this car. I'm not playing games. It's not funny to screw with somebody's money. All right, I'm not out here screwing with your money. Don't screw with mine. So if I see anything that looks suspicious, I'm just gonna cancel and delete it because I don't have time for the BS. Comment below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy bidding if any of you are gonna bid on this eBay car. Good luck to all of you. Stay safe out there, and I will catch you very soon in the next one.